I've been in a ton of meetings for the last couple of weeks with business owners, marketing people, agencies, and production companies. Honestly, for the first part of this year, work has been slow. I moved back to my hometown last year and things really slowed down for me. And I can't lie, it took a toll on me. I've had to lower my rates, do jobs that I didn't really want to do, and things that I kind of thought were out of my league already. But I had to make ends meet. So I started reaching out to potential new clients and talking to some older clients as well from my hometown. One thing was prevalent across all of the meetings that I had, and that was my position as a photographer and videographer. And that is as a business tool. I am, at the end of the day, a means to an end. In order for businesses to hire me, I need to provide value. And surprise, value does not lie in beautiful imagery, at least not entirely. I know we all love to create and edit these beautiful images and photographs, but what we do from a business perspective is to provide some sort of monetary value. Out of all the businesses I met with, including past and recurring clients, my value lied in providing solutions to their businesses. On one of the meetings that I had, one of the clients presented me with this situation. He was trying to go from medium to high ticket sales. It was hard for him to communicate the value of a service. He was doing some high ticket services here and there, but most of his work was medium ticket. So I took that opportunity to pitch him the idea of offering one of those high ticket services at a discount to one of his already existing clients. That is, in order for me to go and do some photography and video to make some promotional content around that new high ticket service he had. So we did it. Now he has some updated marketing material which he can use to present his new high ticket service to new prospects. And as a result, he's now booking more high ticket clients. See, what I did there is nothing revolutionary, but my client is busy running his own business, and simply doing something like that had never crossed his mind. And because he already has a good connection with me and an open line of communication, he felt safe to share some of his struggles. He told me some of his business challenges, and together we came to a solution. And that's what it's all about. See, if you want to grow your business and foster good connections with your clients, understand that we're all here to make money at the end of the day. That's why we have businesses. Otherwise, we'd have charities. And if you want your client to hire you for $1,000 to do your job, you need to make him that money back and then some. Because for him, it's a business decision. And so should it be for you. Last year, I was doing the rounds and gathering reviews from some of my own past clients from my website and my Google profile. And something that came up amongst a lot of those clients was that I was more than the guy that they called to take some photos and videos of their products or services. I stood as a business partner for them. They understood that the value that I provided did not lie in JPEGs and .mp4s, but in understanding their struggles and how they can make more money and have a better business for themselves. So to sum up, if there is one skill that you need to master to grow your photography and video business, it's not to get a better camera or fancier drone shots. It's to really understand your clients, how they operate, how they make money, what their problems are, what they're facing on their day-to-day lives as business owners, and help them find solutions for their problems. You want to be a problem fixer. You want to be that guy that once a problem pops up, they feel like they can call you because you're going to help them. So let's say their website is running slow. You're not the website guy, but maybe you know someone who is. Connect them. Let's say their sales process is taking a little bit too long. Help them brainstorm ideas to shorten it. You want to make yourself as much of a valuable asset to these people as humanly possible. And when you do, you won't have to worry that much about someone else's photos being a little bit better than yours. Look, I'm not saying bend over backwards for them, but if there's something which you can help, or you can find someone who can help them, that is valuable. I'm also not saying you should forget about the quality of your work. I'm assuming that your quality of work is good enough. I'm assuming you're already taking or have taken the steps needed to be good at what you do. But that's not enough. Once you're good at taking photos, good at making videos, what you need to do is to really become a good business partner for your clients. By the way, I'm saying all of this assuming that you work for businesses and not weddings and stuff like that. This is for photographers and videographers who provide services to other business. So to sum it all up, the most important thing you can do for your photography and videography business is to be more than a photographer and videographer. Be a business partner. Provide solutions to problems. Clients want more than good photos and good videos. They want notoriety. They want sales. They want exposure. They want to see their problems getting fixed, just like you. I hope this helped you guys somehow, some way. I just wanted to give you guys this quick little tip. I think it's crucial for your business. As always, stay safe.